Hi, welcome to the Healthy Life channel. Do you feel like you have to strain to listen to the television or have to repeat what people are saying? That's a sign that your hearing has started to decline. This can be caused by several factors such as age, listening to loud noises for a long time, or the influence of drugs. As the sense of hearing, the ear plays an important role in your life. Not only do they function for hearing, they also help you to maintain balance. But as we age, the function of the ear decreases. The decline in hearing ability is not trivial, as this problem can affect your quality of life. Please note that a normal and safe sound for you to hear is one with a loudness level of around 60 decibels. In general, sounds above 85 decibels are considered dangerous, but it depends on how long and how often you hear sounds at that loudness, as well as whether or not you wear protective equipment such as earplugs or earmuffs. If you've already experienced hearing loss, here are some tips on how to sharpen your hearing. 1. Meditation. One way to sharpen your hearing is through meditation. Many people do this to improve their hearing health. By directing your attention to the sensations and sounds around you during meditation, you can increase your awareness of your environment, including hearing. This allows you to notice subtle details in everyday sounds, which you may miss if you are not fully aware. With meditation, you can relax while taking deep breaths, which can help increase blood flow to the brain. In addition to helping with hearing, meditation can also make you calmer. 2. Quit smoking. Research shows that smoking more than doubles the risk of losing your hearing. That's because blood flow and oxygen are essential for maintaining healthy cells in the inner ear. Both are impeded by nicotine and carbon monoxide. Smoking also irritates the lining of the middle ear and disrupts the normal function of the eustachian tube. Nicotine has been shown to cause ringing in the ears or tinnitus, and some experts believe that it can interfere with the neurotransmitters that carry messages from the auditory nerve to the brain. So if you wish to have good hearing function, then quitting smoking is one of the ways to sharpen your hearing that you should do. 3. Take vitamins. Some vitamins and minerals have been linked to improved ear function and hearing, such as folic acid, which improves blood circulation to the ear, as well as energy production in the cells responsible for hearing. Magnesium, which aids healthy nerve function in the auditory system and helps prevent damage to the inner lining of arteries. Zinc, which protects the hair cells inside the ear, which are responsible for emitting vibrations that send electrical signals to the brain. Zinc also supports the immune system, helping to prevent ear infections. And vitamin B, which offers a number of potential benefits to the ear, including regulation of fluid levels and optimization of oxygen use. In general, hearing loss occurs when signals from sound do not reach the human brain. The decline in hearing ability is caused by various factors such as increasing age, repeated exposure to loud sounds, even some drugs such as antibiotics, chemotherapy, aspirin, malaria can also damage your hearing function. If you experience a decrease in hearing ability, consult a doctor immediately to get the right treatment. This video is for educational purposes only. If this video is useful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss other videos.